are Seizmik, and since our inception in 2001, we've been focused on making the best UTV and side-by-side accessories. We ride, we hunt, we explore, we work. So when we engineer a UTV accessory, you know it'll get the job done. From mirrors, windshields, and doors, to gun holders, rack systems, and more, we make easy to install, ridiculously durable, purpose-built equipment so you can customize your machine for the job at hand. Our accessories are designed with rugged components because we know what life is like for a UTV, and we know the beating they can take. Everything we manufacture is designed here in the U.S.A., rigorously tested and fully serviceable. We start from scratch, we innovate, we design, we engineer, we build, we create, we don't compromise. Demand more. Demand Seizmik.